Do not follow the Google directions. Gosh, the webs are terrible. So you want to park before you see the graveyard. Oh my gosh, now I got this, you know, this, oh my gosh, ah!
The giant web with the bugs in it. Oh no, the horsefly.
The horsefly.
Gosh, now I got this, you know, this, oh my gosh, ah!
Webs.
Hope this will not be my last will and testament or a Blair Witch kind of thing where they find this video. This place has that feeling. We decided to come really late in the evening because it's been so warm. We're on the last, excuse me, there's bugs. The last week of August. And this was on Google and I read the descriptions and stuff, so figured, hey, we come and check it out since it's so close to our campsite. But the trail, it's barely there. I guess it's just more like a local place. Have you seen the trail over there? No. We have lost the trail. I think you gotta follow this water that's over here. We are just about done with another contract. And I have to say, I think we all agree in the family, we're definitely ready to go. Between the heat, the bugs, the webs. We've certainly enjoyed exploring southern Illinois and being able to check out the land between the lakes. But oh man, I'm ready. Better. So that little trail we were on was a dodo trail, and it was not the right one we should have taken. And I guess a lot of people are going to that one place. We believe we can just walk right back out on this road here.
You told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So no water on another waterfall trail. Other than bushwhacking, it wasn't too far of a hike. We're going to try the other road to see if that would take us back, I believe, because we passed several gates. So we'll just take that road and that should be much easier. We found a pretty well worn path going away from the falls, away from our car. So we're going to stroll down this for a little bit and see where it goes. So it looks like this trail is turning back to where the truck might be at, but we're not sure, so we have to go back the direction we came. And to make things a little more exciting, you know, besides the bushwhacking, getting lost in the woods, being close to dark, creepy, there's a storm approaching. Yes, we are definitely one of those channels about what not to do.
A gigantic toad just jumped at me and scared me half to death. It was huge, it was like 5.5 inches.
As you fade away,
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay, just let me be.
So if you get to the graveyard, you've gone too far. It's less than a mile too. You're hiking down through there. But if you look over here, it looks like a trail is over here. Definitely not a trail. That's why we do these videos though. So, it's right before the graveyard. You park at the, oh, I'm getting bit again. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, gotten bit by the sweat bees. But thanks guys, and hope to catch you on the next video.